We spoke to you a few months ago when the outlook on healthcare was much more uncertain. It looked like there was, a very good chance of an Obamacare repeal. Right. How have you weathered the ups and downs of the healthcare sector since then?
Healthcare's performed actually very well this year, with hospitals maybe not doing so well, but other areas doing quite well, such as medical devices, healthcare managed care. Biotechnology, even pharmaceutical stocks have done fairly well this year, as the two parts of controversy for healthcare, one being Obamacare and the other being drug pricing, have still been fairly limited in the potential negative impacts that people had anticipated in 2016.
Did you get out of anything or get into anything as we saw some declines for some of the areas?
So as we had mentioned last time when we were here, we were basically selective in our hospital investments, so we were long some and short some. We still maintain that position today, and our focus on medical devices and biotechnology was still the key areas of where we were investing our capital, and that's still the same today.
Well, I just want to point to graph in our chart library. It's 5690. It's healthcare estimates, and forward earnings estimates for healthcare versus the S&P 500 are really improving. I guess that's something you might expect. What do you make of these estimates? Are they real things? I mean, it looks now like any change to healthcare is dead, but there's always that sliver of a chance, right?
Oh, absolutely. I think what you see is essentially a typical consistency of healthcare earnings. The groups that did get hit tended to be more in the specialty pharmaceutical groups, the Valiants of the world, et cetera, as the pricing pressure and rhetoric certainly hurt firms that tended not to have category killers or strong barriers to entry, and who relied on taking large price increases. So those companies have seen a large decline this year. Other than that, companies in biotech, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, life sciences, et cetera, have all seen very strong earnings continue.